from Department of Rhythm, and I'm here to tell you about the Avatar PD-705, and I've got for sale. All right, I'm going to play it for you a little bit. Oh, that's one kit. Got some Chinese sounds there. African, but there's no cowbells in African music. But hey, what the hell? There is now. I'll show you a little hybrid drumming like this. There's some hybrid drumming. That means acoustic drums and electronics together. Here, I'll play just the pad by itself. I'm going through the pads. It's a sampler. There's all kinds of stuff in this, man. This is a really good bang for the buck. And yeah, it's got a lot of good kits, and then a good sampler, Doesn't cost very much. It's got 9 pads, 6 trigger inputs, or 4 trigger inputs and 2 foot switches. Drop the drumstick. Get all your acoustic kits. I tend to like the electronic stuff, but because I have acoustic drums here, but there's lots of great acoustics. Studio rock. Oh, yeah. That's right. never been a fan of cajones, but I kind of am now. But playing samples of them, kind of hate cajones. Except for this is kind of cool. That's a cajon sound. That's tabla sounds, I think. Timbali right there. Okay, well that's the PD-705. It goes on and on. Great MIDI stuff. It's all programmable and easy. You just hit the OK button and it locks whatever changes you make in. Yeah, you don't have to have a heart attack taking out super expensive stuff every time you play. Take your get in touch with me, the Department of Rhythm. Come see me play downtown. Check out my YouTube, Department of Rhythm YouTube. You've got to check it out because all this stuff should be up there and much, much more.